welcome back to Fairfield Academy. Today I will show you how to capture a screenshot with Python in just a few lines of code. Now, as you know, the first thing we need to do is to install some Python library. So I'll write them out. I have already installed them previously. I'll write them out so you can see it. People install PYEETOGUI, PyAutoGUI, Pillow, and then PyScript. Now I should get system requirement already satisfied. As you can see, it says requirement already satisfied. I'm sure it is for you. But every library that I'm supposed to install can get some requirement already satisfied. I'm going to clear this up, and then I'm going to write the code. Now the first thing I need to do is to import the PyAutoGUI. So let's say import GUI into GUI. Okay, so I made a mistake here, should be not to. And then the next thing I'm going to do now is to call the function PyAutoGUI.screenshots. Now this function takes a snapshot of your entire screen at the exact moment and returns it as an image. So I'm going to say ss equals to PyAutoGUI.screenshots. And then message.self screenshots created. That's png. Now here ss stores the screenshots and save. As I'm referring to this save with the string screenshots created at png, write it to your folder. Now why is this useful? It is super handy for creating automated testing reports, tracking visual changes in app, or even building your own screen capture tools. Now let us test this out. Now before I proceed, I need to confirm that you are in the appropriate folder where your file is located. And as you can see screenshot with Python. And that is where my file is located, screenshots with Python. And next time you do, you say Python screenshots, that's py. And I should open this folder. You can see my screenshot has been created. Now, in case you did not see that, I'm going to execute the file. So just delete this and then we execute this file. And as you can see, my screenshot has been created. As you can see, it is an exact replica of my current screen. And with this, you've created the screenshots in Python. And that is it. You just learned how to take a screenshot with Python AutoGUI in Python. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tips from Fairfield Academy.